back. We're doing the Pioneer, the 202. We're doing that again. A little bit of a demo. I put some more caps in there, and I'm seriously thinking about just replacing the entire 15-volt regulator with like an LM317. I think it sounds okay though. I think it sounds fine. So here's the dry tone. Sorry, I'm such a bad guitarist. Pretty good. I was gonna use a 707 also for drums, but it's broken. So just guitar. Just guitar. Cranking it all the way. It's a lot. It's almost illegible. It takes the transients of that really well. It'll distort really interestingly. So I hope all that comes through. I would love to use this thing more. It's pretty noisy, but you know, whatever. At this point, like, doing so much work for like studios and stuff, there's a lot of ways you can make up for stuff being noisy. And like, your guitar is noisy, right? This is a single coil and a humbucker, I guess, a split coil. So there's going to be like a certain amount of, like, this is just with the volume up and then down. I don't know if you can hear that, but a huge amount of that is coming from here. So if you're interested in using one of these older spring reverbs, I would recommend sending it a balanced line level signal so you have plenty of headroom and floor room, I guess, because this is such a low impedance source. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna play more guitar now.